Welcome back to our YouTube channel, guys. Today is going to be a very fun day. We have fun plans with our friends later. Jack's going to go on a run right now. I'm going to pace him on the bike because Tommy and I love to do that. So I'm making him breakfast and I'll show you guys what I made him. Here's the pre-run meal. Blueberries, oatmeal, peanut butter. Good morning.
Good morning.
How's it going?
Today for my run, I think I'm going to do 7 miles.
Wow.
I'm going to try to run pretty fast. Just see how it goes. I'm not feeling that good, so it should be interesting.
Hey guys.
Tommy, say hi, Dada.
Hello.
This is my sad breakfast this morning. It's been a couple days since I've grabbed the camera to vlog, but it's about midnight right now and it's Jack's birthday. And I've just had to wait for him to go to sleep before I could like set everything up. So I finally wrapped all of his gifts. You can see him right there. I didn't have tape, so I used stickers. Kind of worked out cute. And now I'm gonna blow up all the balloons for him. So the plan for tomorrow is he's gonna go on a 12-mile run in the morning. Birthday stuff, right? Then all of his friends are gonna, like the friends that I'll go running with him, they're running here actually from 12 miles away. So they're all just gonna eat here. The rides are gonna come over and kids and stuff. So we'll just have a huge breakfast and then just beach it all day, make a cake. I got him an e-bike, but he has no idea. So it's outside right now and I'm freaking out. I've had to like keep him from going outside. By the time he sees this video, of course, he'll already know. I'm really, really excited. I will try to vlog as much as I can. It's late though, I gotta go to bed. Time for me to go to bed. The present outside is set, all the other presents are set, so I'm stoked but insanely tired. So I'm like, wake Jack up, tell him my birthday, and then we'll see you in the morning. Wanna play with them? Okay. We'll give it to Daddy.
Oh, thank you, Tommy. It's got a balloon.
T, say happy birthday, Daddy.
Happy birthday to me. Go outside. What? You didn't. Oh my gosh. Are you serious? You're freaking nuts. Are you serious?
You like it?
That's so cool. That's so sick. What? When the...
When the can we get ice cream?
When the... Wait. How did you do this? Wait, what the heck? How did you do this?
Say hi. She's so snuggly lately. Not mad about it. Jack went on his run and now Tommy and I are gonna make breakfast. I think some of the girls are gonna come over too and help make breakfast. So I'm excited. I got so much food at the store last night just because I didn't want to be out. Like, nothing's worse than when there's only 1 pack of bacon. So I got 5 and then 5 packs of sausage. So we're eating good today. Can you say yeah? Yeah. Not mad. And this is how I'm gonna get things done today. Hunty? Yeah. Shout out to Bluey. Breakfast for 30, I think. Yo!
I did it. Yeah! Longest run ever.
Wow, that was sick.
Birthday!
Birthday run!
Nice work.
Nice work. That was sick. Right, Fizzy.
How good is that shower? It's the freaking best thing ever.
Dad!
On here and give me like a little bit more, right?
That's a good plate. This really
made it look
this really shows it all.
Dude, thank you
Hey girl,
so much.
you're Tommy's babysitter the whole time, so thank you.
I was saying that
Gains. Get gains. More meat. More meat. Oh wait, the candle's green. These are sick.
Hi. I'm vlogging.
Okay, is that all? Because I feel like they're kind of.
I'm just gonna film myself every time.
You just ruined his whole.
This birthday is about me, not that. Turn the lights off. Lights are going off.
Jack wants the lights off. Oh, there we go.
Oh, there we go.
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Jack. Happy birthday to you. Yeah. Oh,
26.
you get the last one. Zero.
That was like uncomfortably good singing. Like everyone was trying to sing really well. Instead of like, wow, it was like harmonizing.
Hopefully everyone likes the cake. I'm just worried it's a little undercooked.
Hey, purple fish.
Okay. Yeah.
It's fine.
Yeah, no one cares.
Remember my.
It's actually my fault, so.
Tommy, dance with your arms. Dance with your arms, ready? Those are some good dance moves, T.
High five.
Good morning and welcome back to another day in our life. We have a fun day planned actually, so we're going to go surfing, or Jack's gonna surf. Hopefully I'm gonna skate today. Then we are going to Waikiki to go on a boat ride with a lot of our friends and dinner and stuff. So our friends that are staying with us, Brinley and Donnie, they left to go get the sunrise shack, but they're gonna be watching Tommy. We are gonna go to Waimea Bay, I think, the farmer's market. So this is one of the best days. My waffle is done. Don't want to burn it because I burned the last one. I feel like we've been posting more on YouTube. If you notice, let us know, because we appreciate when you guys notice that we are putting more effort into creating videos. We love YouTube, so it's fun for us. Okay guys, say hi to the vlog.
What's up, vlog?
Show me the baby.
She's cooking in
The baby has entered the chat.
Whoa.
She looks bigger today. Wow.
Oh gosh.
T, ready to go?
Yay.
Say bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye. Say hi, vlog. Okay, you can vlog. Say please. Oh, Tommy can. Daddy, say hi.
Oh, Tommy Cam, hey.
Okay, wait, go to dad, not your foot. Say hi, daddy. Okay, get mama. Get mama. Get Donnie. Say Donnie.
Hi.
Vlogging. Okay, good job. That was so good. Okay. Go dog. Tommy, say go daddy. Woo. Oh, swan dive. Have you ever seen anything more beautiful?
You.
That was cute. Today is gonna be a good day.
This is awesome.
Let's skip to the good part.
Let's skip to the good part.
on the beach. This girl's sleeping, and now we are gonna cruise to the farmer's market and get some pizza. We're stoked.
Tommy's still sleeping.
I'm actually sad she's missing out. This is like our thing to do every week. Best part of the week.
So good. We did passion fruit and pina colada with the honey on top.
So good. Yeah?
That's pizza.
How's it look?
So good.
But it's not like he's the only one police are looking at. In fact, another suspect that was
Why do you have a box of tampons?
Spit my seeds into it. Only thing we could find in the car that I could put my seeds into.
So we are on our way to Waikiki right now. We're going on a boat tour with all of our friends. And it's gonna be so much fun. So we're gonna definitely vlog, and we're running honestly a little, oh my gosh, the time's went up 3 minutes. Oh, I'm stressed.
We're gonna be late.
We're gonna be late. Brooklyn's calling. We gotta go. Show me your best dance move. Oh, that's good. Jack, look at this. He's feeling it. He's got shoulders into this. This is what I like to see.